YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unwrap this second order that I got from PacSun. This is basketball skateboard apparels. In case you guys missed my first unwrapping video, you guys could search under my channel. So let's go ahead and see what we got. Alright, so here are the three apparels that I picked up. The BBSB Sketch Long Sleeve Tee, gold color, size medium. And the other one's warm-up pants. It is in black color, size medium. And then I got the mesh tank top. This one's the size large. And that's just the item number. I picked this up when it was like 70% off. So normally you want to grab it when it's 70% off. You cannot go wrong with that. So this one is the gold color, size medium. Got this tissue paper and then a super dry silica gel. And there's your basketball skateboards, size medium, made in China. Here is the style number and everything, barcode. Got this nice big basketball skateboards on the front. And you have this nice athletic label right here toward the ham. Then on the back it is plain. And here's your wash tag. This is 100% cotton. Let's go ahead and check out the tank. So yeah, just be careful when you try to wash this. Normally you want to do like a dry clean or hand wash, no machine wash. Or else there are like customer or buyers complaining about this rhinestone. It tends to fall off, so you gotta be careful. Probably because this is glue on, so when you put it in like a hot drying machine, it's gonna melt it down. So this one is the size large. So as you can see through it, through this mesh material. And you got this big 18 on the back. So this is printed on. Here's the style number and then the barcode and then the size. This one's 100% polyester. And the care instructions on the back here. Let's go ahead and check out this one. Wow, it is pretty heavy. Show you guys the tag real quick. PacSun. So I got this fire or flame basketball. Ooh, nice. Here's your super dry silica gel. So I'm not sure. Oh, okay, one is the care instruction. This one's 100% polyester, just like the tank top jersey. And here's the basketball skateboards tag, medium. Then you have this draw cord with the metal tip. Where's the other one? Is that metal? So front and the back. So below the zipper pocket, I like this. I like the zipper pocket. So nothing will be fall off. Got this nice basketball. Yeah, there's like a rubber print on there. I feel like a rubbery. So the basketball flame is on the left hand side of the pants. And you got this snap off button right here. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So yeah, this one snap off on the side. Wow, this one's tight. Ugh. So I'm not sure why is this snap right here, but you can open it. What is the point of that? So the top one you can snap it off, but there's no opening, so it's kind of pointless or useless. Oh, the 2 button right here on the top. So you can snap it off. What is the point of that? So I guess that's just a part of the design. And then you got another side right here with the zipper button. I mean, with a zipper pocket. You got here another one zipper pocket right here. The zipper is pretty small. And then on the back there is no pockets at all. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in your comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.